Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this, like the percentage icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and then tap on the check mark to confirm. You will see this message battery saver mode enabled, and also the screen will get a lot dimmer. Basically what the power saving mode does, it lowers the screen brightness, disables some features on your watch to save the power. Okay, so that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, wake up the screen, open the control panel, tap on the battery saver icon and wait until it's disabled. You can also enable the clock only power saving mode. What it does is basically it disables most of the features on your watch and you have access only to a clock, date and I believe steps. To do it, wake up the screen, open the control panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called preferences, tap on it, scroll down, find the option called battery saver mode, tap on it, and here we have the clock mode. Tap on the switch next to it to enable it, and that's how it looks like. Basically you have the access to battery level, clock, and the date, and also steps, and that's about it. All of the rest of the features are disabled basically. This will save a lot more power than the normal power saving mode. So if you're in the pinch, you can enable this one. Okay, and to disable it, press and hold the crown button until you see the normal watch face, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.